is only one way in which to create a new transaction record, and that is from an offer record. Go to the View Record page for the offer from which you want to create a transaction. If the offer already has the status accepted, then click a New Transaction button at the top right of the page. If it does not, then you will need to click the Accept Offer button, which will change the status for you as well as opening up the new transaction page. When creating a transaction, a lot of the fields will be filled in for you from the offer record, but make sure to fill in as many of the other fields as possible. You will need to fill in the start date and expected closure date fields, as well as the company's role field from the main detail section. You will also need to fill in a few fields in the price breakdown section and all the fields in the commission breakdown section. As you go through the process of the transaction, you will mark off the legal procedure steps section so that you know exactly where in the transaction process you are. Broker profiles do not have the rights to create, view, or edit transactions, so please contact your manager or administrator to find out more about this module or to register a sale or rental.